Which hairstyle will suit me? Think about it. Why don't you try Smart Mirror? Smart beauty in my hand that anyone can move easily and conveniently. Various membership sign-up methods. Our customer management system makes it easy to manage your customers. After taking a picture, the face is analyzed through AI simulation, and then recommending a hairstyle that suits your face. In addition, through AI scalp diagnosis, customer-tailored scalp care services are available. Provides pleasure during treatment. The beginning of a new type of smart hair salon. Now don't worry and change your hairstyle. Smart AI beauty solution, Mirart.